Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Chat in your browser or Gmail. Sign in with the account you plan to use. Once there, pick a person or group chat and press the video camera icon to initiate a call. When the browser asks, allow camera and microphone access. This enables everyone to see and hear you. Make sure to test your audio and camera in the small preview. If you hear an echo, lower speaker volume, or switch to headphones for clearer sound. Once the call is live, use the in-call controls to shape the experience. Click the three-dot menu to enable captions, switch layouts, or open settings to select a different camera or microphone. This matters if you plugged in a USB headset. Use pin or spotlight to focus a presenter and mute participants when background noise appears. If you need to present, choose Share Screen and pick a window, a Chrome tab, or your entire screen. Select the tab option to preserve audio quality when playing videos. To finish, click the red hang-up icon. If you recorded the session, check Google Drive for the file when processing completes. If someone reports no audio, first verify browser permissions and that the correct mic and speaker are selected in Settings. Also check the OS sound mixer and unmute the tab. If participants drop or can't join, resend the chat invite or have them rejoin. When problems persist, restart the browser or computer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.